Hello everyone, my name is Lane Storvolds and today I am going to talk about a very special operating system, Linux. What is Linux? Linux is a free operating system, which means that anyone can download it and use it without paying anything. It was created by me in 1991, when I was a computer science student at the University of Helsinki. Now let's move on to an important topic. How is the hardware related to the Linux operating system? The relationship of the operating system with the hardware is very important, since Linux is designed to be compatible with a wide variety of hardware. This means that you can install Linux on any computer or device, from a smartphone to a supercomputer. Now I have an interesting question for you. What makes Linux different from other operating systems like Windows? The main difference is that Linux is open source, which means that anyone can see and modify the source code of the operating system. This makes Linux safer and more reliable than other operating systems. In addition, Linux is very stable and fast, which means that it does not hang or slow down like other operating systems. It also has many free applications available to download, which makes it easy and cheap for people and companies. Now, before moving on to the curious facts about Linux, how about I tell you a joke? Talk. What do you call a hacker who uses Linux? A limbazer. Now let's continue with the curious facts about Linux. The penguin tax is the mascot of Linux. Linux is used in most supercomputers in the world. Android, the most used operating system on smartphones, is based on Linux. Now, how about I tell you some statistics about the use of Linux? According to a recent study, Linux is used in more than 90% of web servers and in more than 80% of smartphones in the world. Impressive, right? But don't worry, if you've never used Linux, it's very easy to start. You can download a free Linux distribution like Ubuntu or Fedora and follow the installation instructions. Finally, I invite you to try Linux and discover everything this operating system has to offer. And if you want to know more about technology and education, don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel for teachers and watch the other videos on the channel. See you soon.